Let's start off by looking at multiplication. As we know, multiplication is just a way to show repeated addition. Like this problem. 5 times 4 is the same thing as saying 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Well, exponents are kind of the same thing, except exponents show us repeated multiplication. For example, 6 to the third power is the same thing as saying 6 times 6 times 6. Now for a little vocabulary. Let's take a look at this problem. 8 to the fifth. Now the 8 is what we consider a base number, and the 5 is our exponent or power. 8 to the fifth power. So now let's take a look at exponents as repeated multiplication. So once again, a problem like this, a base number of 7 and an exponent of 4 means 7 to the fourth power, which with repeated multiplication really means 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. In other words, we take the base number of 7 and we repeat it 4 times according to the exponent. Now let's try out some example problems. Here's our first one, 3 to the fourth power. What would that look like as repeated multiplication? Well, it would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which equals 81. How about this one? 2 to the sixth power. Well, again, it's the base number of 2 repeated 6 times and multiplied together, which in this case would turn out to be 64.